Welcome to Bali! Hi everyone, good morning. Today is our 4th day here in Bali, and our itinerary for today is we're going to SEMINYAK beach, and after we're going to ULUWATU temple, and then tonight we're going to Fence to have dinner. So now guys, let's go. So we are off now to SEMINYAK beach, and then after we're going to ULUWATU temple. We're gonna meet Adi, our very nice driver. I think he's waiting outside, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. Adi's here. He's our driver again for today's tour.
Today's tour.
So we are here now in GWK. I don't know what's the meaning of this. Maybe Adi can tell you guys what's the GWK means.
Garuda Wisnu Kencana, it's mean. Yeah.
So can you tell them like what is this place all about?
This is ULUWATU Street, Jalan ULUWATU.
Jalan ULUWATU.
Yeah.
And what's that temple? Not temple, not temple, statue.
Like a Bagawan. Yeah?
Bagawan. It's Bagawan, guys. Okay, so we're going to other statue. The big one?
Bagawan siapa?
What was that?
That's Bagawan. Bagawan statue.
Now he knows Bagawan. Okay, so we're moving on the other statue, the big one. We just need to pay our ticket. There's an entrance fee, guys. So we just paid our entrance, guys, 250,000 rupiah. Is that rupiah? For both of us. And they give us a souvenir. It's so nice. So we're walking up there now. So we're here now inside, guys. It's so pretty. We're not yet so close to it, but you can see already the statue up there. This place is so pretty. So we brought our drone with us, guys, and we are so lucky that we have license to fly here in this place, and we're so thankful of our very nice driver Adi. He's the one doing the license. So here's the license
this
here.
is the license already.
Yeah, so we can fly it here. That's so exciting. So we just sat down for lunch, guys, and we're having an authentic nasi goreng. Look how amazing is that? So we just had our lunch, and now we're going to ULUWATU temple, guys. So I said before that we're going first to ULUWATU temple, but we decided to come here first in GWK. Yeah, this plan is like on the spot plan. We don't know about this place. It's just Matthew wants to come here, so that's why we decided to come here first. But now here we go. We're going now to ULUWATU temple. So we're here now in ULUWATU temple. So we start walking now. Still a long way to go. We just finished from ULUWATU temple, guys. I don't have lots of footage there because I left my camera here in the car. I don't bring my stuff there because they said the monkeys will steal your stuff. So just to make sure I left everything here, and Matthew's using his phone to do some of the footage for the vlog. So now we're going to SEMINYAK beach where the colorful umbrellas are there. So quite excited, so see you in a bit. So we're finally here now in SEMINYAK beach, guys. So I'm gonna show you the different color of umbrellas. Lots of people in here, lots of tourists. So let's walk around. Order some beer, guys. Welcome to Bali. Woo. It's busy. It's busy because we're gonna buy some paintings. So guys, we are going back to the villa now. We need to freshen up and we're gonna prepare for our dinner tonight. But it's just me and Matthew. So it's so nice to be here. So it's so pretty. The lights behind so pretty, guys. So now time to go. So now, guys, we are going to have dinner. We're going to the seafood restaurant. So behind me is our pathway going to our villa. So it's kind of dark in here. It's a long way to walk, but it's alright. So dinner time. So we're just walking here down the road. There is no snatchers. Hey babe. So we're still looking for a good restaurant to eat. So we are here now in Candy Cannon restaurant. So it's a seafood restaurant, guys. I just ordered squid and steamed rice, and I ordered also a mocktail, and Matthew ordered what did you order?
Thai green curry.
Thai green curry. So we're excited of the food. It's very nice place, guys. We have our own, I don't know, we have our own booth actually with the beautiful lights. So we're gonna enjoy our dinner. So guys, we just finished our dinner. Matthew is having his dessert and coffee.
Chocolate mousse.
Yeah, chocolate mousse. Sadly, this is our last night. Tomorrow, we're going back home, fly back home. And we'll surely we're gonna come back here, right? There's still so much places that we haven't visited yet. So much things to do here. Shame needs to go back. It's time for work. So I hope guys you enjoyed all my Bali vlog, and thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next vlog again. Bye. Thank you.